going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the top 8 things you can do with a fidget spinner. Here I have a glow-in-the-dark fidget spinner from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below, and I'm just going to get right into the video. We have just spinning it on one finger like that, or you could spin it on your thumb like that. It's just very obvious, very simple. Let's get to the next one. At number 7, we have just spinning on the table. So you would take it and then just spin it like that, and you could see how long it could spin. Let's get to the next one. Number 6 is just tossing it to your other hand. So you would take it, you would spin it, and then you would toss it over like that. It's a little harder than the other ones, but try it. At number 5, we have spinning it and switching it onto a different finger. So what you would do is you would spin it and then have it like that, and then switch it over like that. It's number 5. So for number 4, what you want to do is throw your fidget spinner up into the air and then catch it in the middle, and then it will keep spinning. So like this. That's number 4. Number 3 does take some skill, but what you want to do is you want to spin it and then put it onto your nose. So you would go like that. Like that. Number 2 is just taking it and seeing how fast it goes. You could use like a hair dryer or something, but you just go like this. It will just like spin forever. That's number 2. And number 1, which is the coolest thing to do, is you want to stick a pencil through the middle and then spin it. So what you want to do is you want to take the caps off like that, the other one, and now there's a hole in it, and then you just stick like a mechanical pencil through it. Regular pencils don't work, so take a mechanical, then you want to spin it and then just put it on a hard surface. That's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.